At last, finally, dumating na ang aking US visa. So excited to open it. Alright, so, ayan. So happy to finally be able to fulfill one of my dreams to secure a US visa because in the future, pupunta po tayo ng Amerika. Ayan. Tingnan natin kung multiple entries ba. Alright, multiple entries, 10 years. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Your Lawyer on the Go. By the way, thank you so much everyone for staying with me from part 1 up to part 3 dito po sa ating US Visa Application Vlog Series. Now, in this final vlog, we will talk about the quick summary so we can have a complete guide po sa ating US Visa Application process. Steps to secure a US Tourist Visa or B1, B2 visa for Filipinos. Step number 1, prepare the documents ahead. Para po mas maging mabilis at smooth po ang pag-fill out natin sa DS-160 form, kailangan po again nakahanda na po yung mga documents na kakailanganin natin sa pag-fill out ng DS-160 form. Please prepare ahead your passport, your passport-sized photo na i-upload po natin doon sa portal kung saan po tayo mag-fill out ng DS-160 form po natin. Also, your contact information in the USA, your friend, any person or an organization, and also your family, personal, and work information. Step number 2, fill out your DS-160 form. Ito po yung website. And you may also click the link in the description box below. Please always save your progress and take note of your reference number. That way, if you get interrupted, you can always just resume and continue with your application at pag-fill out po ng DS-160 form. Step number 3, print your DS-160 confirmation page. Huwag na huwag niyo po itong kakalimutan sapagkat kailangan niyo po ito during your biometrics appointment at Parcal Mall at saka sa interview po ninyo doon sa US Embassy Manila. Step number 4, pay your visa fee and schedule your appointments. This includes the biometrics schedule at Parcal Mall, Parañaque and your interview with the visa officer at the US Embassy, Ross Boulevard, Manila. Step number 5, biometrics at Parcal Mall, Parañaque. Please, wag na wag niyo pong kakalimutan na dalhin yung mga documents at mga papeles ninyo. Make sure to check before you leave your house or your hotel. Step number 6, interview at the US Embassy. Please, answer honestly, be consistent with your DS-160 answers, dress neatly, at of course, kailangan maintain eye-to-eye contact with your visa officer, and syempre, kailangan din po, you have to answer straight to the point, be direct, and be concise. To those applying for the first time, do not be afraid, do not fret. It may look overwhelming but actually, if prepare well, it's completely manageable. At sa lahat po ng kukuha ng US visa, God bless you all. Nawa po ay magtagumpay ho kayong lahat sa pag-process ng inyong US visa application. Thank you for watching everyone. So see you in my next vlog.